So yeah, in John 15:18 it says, "If the world hates you, keep in mind that it hated me first." Yeah. So it says there in the Bible, it says how people can be greedy, be blinded, how would be hard-headed ang mga tao. They showed you first nga like they would condemn you for whatever it is, even the slightest thing, and the only thing na you could believe on is God, yourself. Even family could condemn you, just like in son ni Moses. Family can be jealous sometimes if you're like, this is what I heard sa akong utod one time, and he says that gold is thicker than blood. So yeah, even sa kay Joseph to, at first ginsold mo siya gyapon sa brothers siya for the gama lang nga money, but still amo na to sa verse ko to is it says amo na nga if they hated you, then no worry, they hated him first. So but still may mga parts sa Bible it says it's okay to forgive. Forgiving is always okay, gid na iya ang pag-forgive, but it does not be naive of what we are kay if we give too much trust. And example, if they did us one time nga do lain na, then you should ghost them or cut them off. Sometimes cutting people off maka-develop na siya mo sa like sa imong spiritual growth, kay wala na bala mga negativity sa life mo, and it's okay mag-cut off some people, but still just wanna say be strong and always pray kay God. And daily updates ay party ako kapon with my friends sa Ila Fiesta. And then now I'm going to ara na ko sa aggressive cutting nga hindi magdubo sa 1,000 calories ang ako ni eat, and that's all.